Okay, listen here. Sir, you have thought static variable on program, static block on program, non-static block on program, non-static variable with non-static block. Okay. Now we will see both the static block and non-static block. Okay, now see here I have taken a file name as a car. Okay. Now first I will create some static block. Now first I will create one static block. Okay. Here I am giving some printing statement. Who is talking there? One. Okay, now then main method. Okay. Here also I am printing one statement, one number as a 3. Okay. Again, after main method, I'm taking one non-static block. Okay, non-static block. Here also I'm printing with the number as a 2. Now, if I run the program, what will be the output? Error. I'm printing only the number, no? For number, no need a double quotation, right? What will be the output? Hey, just listen. Close your laptop. 1 and 3. What's your answer? 1 and 3. Any other answer? 1, 3. 1 and 3, 1, 3. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಇದೆ. 8. Hey, what? There are 3 printing statements, right? 1, 3, 2 will be the output, right? Yeah, super. Okay, observe here. Always before the main method, static block will be running and static block will be printed as a 1. Okay, now next for non-static block, I should create the object. Right? ಆಚಾರ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ Okay, listen here. For non-static block, I should create the object, right? So this will be not working. Okay, if I want to work this output, I need to create the object. Okay, then what is the main method? 3. If I run this program, I will get 1 and 3. Okay, 1 and 2 now. See, 1 and 3. Okay. Okay, sir. If I want to run the non-static block, I need to create the object, right? Okay, here I am creating an object like car. C. Now what will be the output? What will be the output? 132. Any other output? Any other output? Just observe. Any other output? 1. Any other output? 1, 2, 3. Then 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 1. Any other combination? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Which is the correct output here? 132 is the correct output. How, sir? How? Sir, first static block will be printed. Then, then non-static block should be printed, right? Why main method? Why main method? See here, I created object below the printing statement. Okay. If I print the object above the printing statement, what will be the output? 1, 2, 3. Now the output will be 1, 2, 3. Understand? Write the program. If you have laptop, execute the program. Otherwise, write the program. Super. Super Sanjay. Okay, listen here. Here I'm creating on. Listen here. Here I'm creating on another file. Name as a another class. Name as a pen. Okay. Here I will remove the public access specifier. Here I'm giving some printing statement. Okay. Wide. Why it is showing error? Why it is showing error, guys? Any idea? I need to print hello. Why it is showing error? We can't write system.out.println in the block. Okay. Write a note. We cannot write printing statement directly to the blocks. Make a note. We cannot write printing statement directly to the blocks. Okay, under this, write this example. Okay, under this, write this example. Okay, okay. Now tell me the output for this program. See, here I've used both static variable, non-static block and static block. Now tell me the output. 20. Can you explain me? But you have taken static variable as a 10 and x is equals to 20. Correct. The answer will be 20 only. Okay. How, sir, Andre? Sir, you have taken static variable and one static block. Okay. In static variable, I'm initializing the 10 value. In static block, I'm initializing the 20 value. Okay. Java internally reinitialize the automatic value by 10 into 20. Okay. Java internally it will take 10 as a reinitialized value by 10 into 20. Then 20 will be storing in the main method and I will be getting as a output. Okay. Why it is not running means because I need to create the object. Okay. Okay. Now I will create one object as a pen p is equals to new pen. Now tell me the output. Now tell me the output. Now tell me the output. How, sir? What about static variables? Yeah, super. See, first I've taken 10. Okay. Then it is reinitialized into 20. Then 20 is reinitialized into 30. Okay. These 10 and 20 are a static variables. This is the non-static variable. In static, when you are using a non-static block, it will accept both a static variable and non-static variable. But this is not a good practice. Understood? Okay, write this program. Will start with the JVM architecture. Any doubts still? No static block, non-static block. Any doubts? Guys, you have any doubts? Online class students, you have any doubts? Kindly let me know in chat box. In JVM architecture, I will be telling two example. Okay, observe and listen carefully the two examples, and you will be getting actually where the static block will be stored, where the methods will be stored, how the stack operation will be run. I'll be explaining detail. Okay, in detail. Why are you laughing? I'm doing any jokes here? Huh? ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Can you please stop? Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. What is JDK? If you tell answer like this, they will slap you nicely. Okay. My question is, what is JDK? I'm not asking abbreviation. I'm not asking full form also. Correct definition. Yeah, it is a software. Yeah, what is the abbreviation of JDK? Java. Java development. What is JDK? That is the abbreviation or a full form. My question is, what is JDK? Yeah, it is a software. Yeah, it is a software. It contains all the development and executions of the Java program. Okay, it is a software. It is contain all the development tools and executions of the Java program. You have to answer like this for the interview. Okay, write on structure. Okay, you already know, I guess. Uh, See, to run the Java program, JDK is the mandatory. JDK is the mandatory. Inside JDK, there is a person called, what is the abbreviation of JRE? Java Runtime Environment. Okay. What is JRE? Did you return the JDK full JDK definition? Okay, okay. Just listen. I will display the notes. What is JRE? It is a platform. It will only execute the Java program. It will only execute the Java programs. Okay, JP. Okay, and it is also contain JR is JR is also contain a JRE also contains some development tools, and libraries. Okay. Now you understand what is JDK, what is JRE. Okay, JDK is the software to execute the Java programming. To run the Java programming, JDK is the mandatory for the every laptop. Okay, inside JDK, there is a person called as a JRE. To execute the Java program, JRE is the mandatory. And JRE also contains some development tools and libraries. Okay, okay. Inside JRE, there is a person. Okay, the first one is JIT. Okay, the second person, class load, interrupter, interpreter, and the last person is JVM. Sir, what is meant by JIT, sir? What is JIT? I'm not asking the abbreviation of JIT. JIT is the, it converts, see, uh, yeah, every programming language converts high level programming language to the machine level. What is meant by high level programming language? It is a human understandable programming language. Okay, it is a high level programming language to machine level programming language. See, JIT duty is it will convert Java program into the machine level program. Okay. The static method will be for the main. Yeah, when you are using static keyword, this is typically first class version again. Okay, secondary storage too. Second is completed. No, class secondary storage to executable area. What is meant by secondary storage? What is meant by secondary storage? Huh? Yeah, see, you are saving a Java program in some local disk C or local disk D or in desktop in some other folder. Okay, it will convert from it will take from secondary storage to the executable area. It will move this. See, I am creating in local disk D one Java folder. Okay, in local disk D, I'm creating one Java folder. Okay, what is the duty of class loader? Means if I using the static keyword, it will load and it will execute before the main method. And I'm not using the static keyword, it will run every time the Java program, it will move from secondary storage to the executable area. I will teach you what is executable area when I teaching the stack. Okay. Now you understood the JIT also and class loader also. Okay. What about interpreter? So okay. What about interpreter? It will see in Java you are written class demo public static void main system.out.println hello world. It will check line by line. What is the duty of interpreter? Is it will check line by line. Java is the interpreter language. Only interpreter. Java is a both compiler and interpreter. Only interpreter language is Python. Compiler language is C and C++ and Go language. Okay. And Go language is also, it's okay, leave that. JIT and class loader and interpreter. Okay. Sir, you have written something like JVM. What is meant by JVM? Yeah, you're smart, guys. Okay. The abbreviation of JVM is Java Virtual Machine. Okay. JVM is the manager. Okay. Is the manager for all these three-person is the manager. Okay. For me, Ashok sir, Ashok is the manager, right? For these three-person, JVM is the manager. Okay. Understood? Okay. First you write this diagram, then I will show the definition part. Now it's audible. Sharon, it's audible now. Yeah. Any doubts in this? If you have any doubts, kindly let me know in chat box. Okay, listen here, online class students, listen. This is the JDK architecture, okay? For run the Java programming, JDK is the mandate. JDK is the whatever mandate. It is a software, okay? You can develop the Java programming and you can execute the Java. JDK, there is a person called as a JRE. JRE is nothing but Java runtime environment. It is used for execute the Java programming. Okay. Okay. The next point is in JRE, it will contain some development tools and libraries. Libraries are like java.util.scanner, okay, java.arrays, java.linked list. These are the libraries. Okay. It is contained by the JRE. Okay. Then in JRE, there is a full person, JIT, class loader, interpreter, and JVM. Okay. JIT is nothing but just in time. What is duty means? It will convert high level programming language into machine level programming language. Okay. Then what is the duty of class loader? Means it will move the Java file from secondary storage to the executable area. Secondary storage means you are saving some Java file in local disk C, D, or E. It may be desktop also. It will move the Java file into the executable area. Okay. What is the duty of interpreter? Means in Java programming, it will check a line by line. Okay, it will check the line by line. Okay, the fourth person is called as a JVM. JVM is nothing but Java virtual machine. He is the manager for this all three person. Okay, understood? Done with diagram. Done with diagram. Yeah. Now write this one. Turn off the lights. If you are already written, it's okay, fine. Otherwise, you write once again, you can revise the topic. And you copy this JVM architecture also. Third provides a platform. Any doubts you can ask me. Make it fast. Done, huh? Get fast, guys. Native area is an advanced concept that will be teaching by your company employees. Okay. Uh, there is a architecture for JVM. This also you know, I guess. Uh, there is a four memory area, right? What are the four memory area? Ayyo. Heap area, class area or static pool. Okay. Method, then stack area. Okay. Okay. Now observe this program. Observe this program. I will understand how the JVM architecture will class demo. Is it static or non-static? Now, super. You know. So, yeah, then I'm taking one main method. How to call this static variable and static method? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Can I rub this? Now observe cleanly, listen carefully. Okay. Now I will be explaining where the actually static will be stored, non-static will be stored, how the stack operation will be doing, everything. Okay. Observe carefully. I've taken class name as a demo. Okay. What is the entry point of the Java programming? Main method. Okay. Here I'm using static variable and static method also. What is the class loader duty? It will load the static variable and static method before the main method execution. Okay. Now what I taken static int x is equals to 10. Okay. This is called as static pool or class area. Okay. There it will store x is equals to 10. Huh? Okay. Then for this I will give a name called as demo. Understood? Huh? Static variable will be stored in the static. When you run the Java programming before the main method, the static variable will be stored in the static code. Then I've taken void static method also. Okay. Okay. Static void m1 will be stored in the static area. In that, I have taken the printing statement, right? It will point to the some random address 0 into 1. I have take here you can take anything. Okay. I'm taking 0 into 1. Okay. In this 0 into 1, that SOP I will be stored. Okay. Okay. This area is called the implementation of the method will be stored in the method area. The method name and the return type will be stored in the stack area. Okay. Understood? This is called as method area. Okay. Okay, sir. My job is done with the static variable and static method also. Okay. For non-static variable or non-static method, I need to create the object. Okay. See, here I have taken int y is equals to 20. That will be stored in the which area? Called as heap area. Okay. Here it will be stored y is equals to who is stuck there, idiot fellow. Okay. Then here I have taken one non-static method also. Okay, void M2 will be stored here. Only the static name on static will be like return type will be stored in the heap area. It will be pointing to the some random address 0 into 2. Here the implementation of the non-static block will be. Now you understood, right? Now you understood how the static will be working, how the method area will be working, how the heap area will be working. Okay, by the next program, I will teach you how the stack will be working. Okay, now write this program, write this diagram, and execute the program. In Java, like in normal computer, it may be like any programming, execution always work on in computer or in any laptop, in any programming language, the execution is always happen on. I'm not talking about Java programming. Generally, I'm talking about all the programming languages. Execution is always work on. Huh? There is a code as a RAM, no? Okay. Execution is always happen on RAM. For that sake only, we prefer RAM should be more size. Okay. Write this.